Come with me for a street snow ride on the new mini bike. Today was a beautiful morning. It's about 20 degrees out, snow on the ground, and I'm ready to take this thing out for the first ride. Super stoked out here. We're gonna have a great time today. Make sure to drop a comment of what you ride, whether it be electric, motorcycle, mini bike. Drop a comment of what you ride. Already, right when I got on the road, the ice hit me right here. Caught it though. Let's go ahead and keep cruising. Some people think you shouldn't ride in the snow. Yes, it's a little dangerous, but there's so much fun in it. It's so much fun. Coming out here, hitting these streets early morning. I mean, the sun is just coming up. It was a beautiful morning. Definitely glad I got out there and got this ride in. Ooh-wee. Bay looking nice sitting there like that. Bay looking nice. Yeah, I got the little face shield on. Got to stay warm today. Got to stay warm today. Back to the ride. Back to the ride. So here we are. We're in the snow. Feeling a little bit more traction as I'm getting used to the ice. Look at this cool construction over here. Look how cool this is. They must be doing something right there with that big crane or whatever you want to call it. Skirt, skirt, quick U-turn, quick U-turn. Let's go, let's go. Let's get the speed going. Honestly, this is so much fun. I'm loving this bike. This is my first time riding it, and it's definitely super fun. Definitely super fun. Make sure to stay tuned, guys. I hope everybody has an amazing day. Get out and ride. Go enjoy yourself. It's a great day to be out here. The ice almost got me again right there, but I'm still out here loving every second, still out here loving every second. My hands are pretty cold. I'm not wearing gloves today, unfortunately. Just forgot the gloves when I got out on the bike, but we're still out here having a great day. I hope everyone has an amazing day. I love you guys so much. Get ready for the end of the vlog. We're gonna do a little photo shoot too. Much love, let's go. And there it is, guys. First moto vlog of the year, 2025.